Hello, good morning. I'm here to show you how you can promote your offers, be it dating offers or any kind of offer, using Facebook as a source to get traffic to your landing pages. In this video, the method I use, I call it Facebook Wealth Formula. First, you need to get your website ready, meaning your website must have been published on the internet, so that when someone clicks on your website URL, your website shows, meaning you have to purchase a web hosting and a domain name. You publish your website and all that. Your website is live on the internet. But first, you must make sure your website is designed enough to convert. Your website must be attractive, it must be convincing, it must load very fast and all that, so you don't have to use an heavy images on your website and all that. If you know you can't do all that, you should get somebody to do that for you. You should get a good website designer to do that for you. After your website is live on the internet, the next thing is for you to promote your website. So you have to go over to create a fan page. You know, we always have that feature on Facebook to create either groups or create fan page. You can only see that anywhere on Facebook. Create a group, create a fan page and all that. You can see create group, create pages, create page rather, create group, create page. So the method I use here is I created a page. Although this page doesn't have a group related to it, I only created a page and I keep posting on that page to get enough traffic. So the more posting I have, 272 views right here. I have 2002 views right here. So you can see. So with this method, I can assure you that you're going to get conversions on your offers. You have to promote videos, engages more people. So when you're promoting an offer, get the video of that offer and post it on your page. Then search for groups relating to what your offer is all about. There are thousands of groups on Facebook. Just search for the offer just search for the group that your offer is related to. For instance, now if your offer is about how to make money online, search for such offers. If your website is pertaining to dating, search for dating groups, search for dating fan pages. For instance, now my page was on 0 likes. You can see I'm having 2,498 likes over here, and I'm getting conversions on this site. So I searched for groups that is related to dating, love and romance and all that, and I searched for groups that has more of Americans, UK, Canada and all that on Facebook that are discussing about dating, love and romance. So whenever I post on this group, I share into those groups. So I keep getting enough fans, both Indians, South Africans, Americans and all that, coming to this fan page. But if you want to boost your profit, you want to boost your CPA earnings so that you can get enough conversion, you have to boost it by paying some dollars per day to boost your post and all that, and your post to get targeted traffic. You're going to choose a specific country to boost your page. So this is another method to get enough traffic to your fan page, which will convert for you any day, anytime. But you have to be careful what you post on Facebook. Don't post your affiliate link directly on Facebook. Shorten your link, or you use your landing page link. Do not post your affiliate link on your Facebook fan page. Facebook doesn't accept all CPA links and affiliate links like that. So the best is for you to build a landing page, post in your landing page or link on inclusive with your post or your video, so that when someone clicks on it, they go over to your landing page and see what's all about. The next thing is for them to go over to the merchant page from your landing page. That is the best way to promote your. But someone like me, I love to build a squeeze page. So from this video, they'll go over to squeeze page, enter the email address. I get the email address, then they'll be redirected to the landing page. So in this video, I believe you've learned how you can get targeted traffic to your offer using Facebook fan page. This formula is called Facebook Wealth Formula. But if you know you want to quickly get enough earnings, you must boost your fan page. If you don't boost your fan page, it's going to take you longer time to get enough fans on your landing page. You have to spend money to get money. I'm saying it again. You have to spend money to get money. Boost your fan page to get thousands of fans so that you can get enough traffic to your landing page, which will convert for you. Thank you so much. I believe this video is self-explanatory, which is about using Facebook word formula to get targeted traffic to your CPA offers. I'm Amos of Amos Interface Consult. If there's any question, feel free to ask me on Skype, on Facebook, or to my email address. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.